Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to look at a very practical feature, how to set different copper rules for different networks in EasyEDA Pro. In real PCB design, different nets often have different spacing requirements. For example, the GND plane can usually be closer, while high voltage or high frequency signal line need a large safety distance. That's where setting individual copper rules for each net becomes really useful. First, click Design in the top left menu. Then choose Design Rule. In the pop-up window, you'll see a list of various parameters. On the left panel, find copper zone and expand it. This is where you can adjust the spacing between copper areas. You can choose the unit as either mil or millimeter, depending on your project requirements. For example, if you set network spacing to 8 mil, that means the copper between different nets will keep at least 8 mil for clearance. Since we are setting different rules for different networks, you can go ahead and add a new rule here and adjust the parameter as needed. Once the new copper rule is ready, click Apply. Next, open Net Rule from the top left. In the list below, look for copper zone under the rule column. You will see the rule you just created. Now, you can assign different copper port rules to different nets, so each network follows its own spacing parameters. A few things to note. These rules only take effect after you rebuild the copper. If there are multiple rules with conflicts, the system will automatically apply the one with higher priority. So it's a good idea to plan out your spacing requirements early on to avoid rework later. To sum up, go to Design Rule. Create a new rule and set the spacing parameters. Apply it to the target network. Then report the copper to make it take effect. With this feature, you can precisely control the spacing between copper areas on different nets, improving both electric safety and overall PCB design quality. Alright, that's all for this lesson. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you in the next class.